Well, that's it. That's Mortality Month. Thank you for joining me, a mortician. And I have to say, I'm quite proud to have brought you these videos.
Wait, you brought us these videos?
Yeah.
Then you're the one responsible for this man's murder!
What?
And you're the reason MI spread!
Well, hold on!
And it's because of you that demon creep is going around killing people.
Hello, let's not forget me burning in hell here!
Shut up!
Whoa, hold up! I didn't cause these deaths, I just dealt with the bodies!
Bodies you arranged to be brought to you.
Yo.
Look, guys! This is ridiculous! Can't we come to a logical, rational conclusion?
Don't worry, we have.
What is it?
Well, I'm afraid it involves good news and bad news.
What's the good news?
The good news is you'll be receiving a new body very soon.
Oh. That's nice to know. What's the bad news?